Let's break it down. L-arginine and L-citrulline are both critical amino acids that stimulate nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is key to better circulation as it relaxes and dilates blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow. L-arginine, although effective, needs to be consumed in higher doses to achieve results, which can sometimes lead to stomach irritation. On the other hand, L-citrulline is a more direct precursor to nitric oxide, making it more efficient at boosting circulation without the side effects. Both of these amino acids can enhance blood flow, but let's face it, waiting for results can take time and patience. If you're looking for a 100% natural way to get results faster and more conveniently, there's a better solution, Nitrox Pro. Nitrox Pro takes the best of both worlds and combines them into a natural, effective formula, just like Viagra or Cialis, but without any of the risks or side effects. It boosts blood flow and enhances your confidence effortlessly. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the link in the description to secure your supply of Nitrox Pro before it's too late.